So today you will see how to give a cloud access to a user. So enter your My Cloud credentials and enter the user interface and go to click on cloud access, and here you will see already the users who have assigned for cloud access. The first and main thing is you have to be signed in as an admin. If you are not signed in, you cannot configure the cloud access. So if I'm already signed in, so it will show as the admin username and email. If you're not signed in, there will be an option to sign in. Just click on sign in and enter your admin username and credential, and you'll be signed in. So once you are signed in, you have to you'll see all your users here. For example, I'll take a test user. So I have to just click on invite and enter the email address of the user and click on send. If I do this, the user will get an email invitation in his email and a link to create cloud account for my cloud in the name of my cloud. Once you create an account, you will be able to log in here. You can just type my cloud login in the Google and just click on the first link, and here you see sign in to my cloud. Click on sign in to my cloud, sign in to cloud account. Here I have already entered my email address and password. You can do the same and click on continue, and now I'm logged in from anywhere. Literally from anywhere you can log in. Uh, from now onwards, it is not like you can use it only on your office network, or only through Ethernet cable. Now you can use the NAS storage from anywhere, from any Wi-Fi, any mobile data, from any internet. You can access your folders, files, and photos, albums, shared files, and you can edit your files. You can edit or delete or share, and also add files from here. This is a cool feature. So any any action can be done from your file storage, from your cloud storage. So this is for today's class. I hope you understand. So next class we'll go to the network part. That's it for today.